Fishing, guys. Welcome back to the channel, guys. That's what's up. I seen a small barrel right here that I wanted to mess with real quick. Hope I don't get hitched in these shallows. It's a small barrel. Would be good to pick him up. Anyways, guys, we're not messing with him. Alright. Jamaican shore fishing. Alright, guys. We're on the hunt, guys. That's what's up, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We are out here. Larry stepped in mud out here. Yeah, guys. So, see some of the parties I'm down here. Just messing with that little small barrel a while ago, guys. Morning, guys. What's up? What are you guys up to? Anything good this morning? Okay. Fish on? Hey guys. And so then dig up the hole I try out. Mash up the hole over there. Like them develop it. Yeah, they mash up our hole up there. Like last weekend I was there. And I seen the big barrel I was hunting. I figured it's twice the size he was. Ooh! I got hit. Shit. You seen that, right? He missed though. Because these are brand new hooks. Fish on. Yeah. We sail that. Yeah, man, barrel on, guys. That's what's up. Give him a dread bait. That's it. Done now. You know? Me know, man. Me know, man. Yeah, guys. That's what's up. Now I try that one hook. Go through my finger again yesterday. I use my tools and me alright. Me use a tool for grabbing. I do the hand thing yesterday and I'm do nothing better than flash the damn hook in my hand. So what I do nowadays, we use the pliers, hold the hook first, take the lip grip tool, grab him nasty ass and take the pliers and take out the hook then, because a couple of times I get touched with the hook wicked. Ella, put this in my box. My box. My box? Yeah, hold it up here, so. And then when you let him go, you just squeeze this up here, so like an injection. Okay. Come on, guys. So that was a quick hit. First kill on this lure, guys. First kill. So guys, you want one of these lures? Check out CJ Water Sports. He sells them. I had to replace the one in my box. I bought this from him yesterday. First kill on it already. Eh? He did a pair one. Yeah, that's CJ Water Sports.
Oh.
Yeah, check Miguel out.
Yeah, Miguel.
Right, that's a yeah. Yeah, I want to look over that's away, just dispatching. Oh, you afraid I fish some man? Oh. Yeah, just squeeze the black something.
I don't see the man that man.
Yeah, man. One more kill for the day, please. Yeah, man. Yesterday one send one hook straight through my finger again, a Bex. But you know what's so funny? It wasn't as bad as it was before. Alright. I'm down, guys. Yo, you see sunlight? Sunlight has a major role to play with your lure. That's why I tell people when you go out fishing, wait till the sun come up before you start throwing lures. Because the sunlight gives the lure an effect that make the fish, the fake bait look real. So it's when it start flicker like so. Look here, you see the glitter where you get pan it now? So it's like that's what the fish is seeing pan way out so. So I must say blood glitter, what that over there so? Yeah, go and feed. I need to ask question before I bite, you know. I said the one up a trial where I hunt weigh about 15 pounds already. Yeah, in thick as your leg, man. Thick as your leg and long bow from yaso to yaso. He run down my line last weekend and come right up to the pier and then turn back. And I say, yo, you bugger yo. I go feed him when I go up, man. I not left him. And tell him say I come, not true. Nah, sir. Every time he see me, he run. He not take no check. He not take no check with me as he look up and see me so the other day and take off. I say, boy, I know me already, you know. I have one different lure more and try down here today. Being that I'm at this depth of water already, I'm gonna drop lower and go for the jacks or tarpons. Push out a different lure, guys. Over this side is kind of shallow for me to use it. Don't want to use it over there, but let's give it a shot. New lure on the block. So far, that's 3 barras this weekend and 1 snook. That's not a bad weekend at all. Hey guys, I'm gonna drop on the deep side and give this lure a shot. Nothing there, guys. Come on, let's go, Laurie. Heading up the line. Lure fishing time, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing. Yeah, guys. My friend's back there fishing, literally fishing for food, guys. So that's what's up. It's not just a fun thing, but also a food thing. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. I just tried a new spot, but the spot seems like it's very shallow, guys. So I'm gonna work this little small lure as best as I can in there. I don't know what I can pick up here, guys, but shallow waters. Ooh, ooh, little small barra, guys. Boy, it's aggressive. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on. Haha. Woohoo! Nice barra, guys. Haha. Jamaican shore fishing. Look at that. Fish on, guys. That's what's up. Got him. You want to go get the cooler? Yeah, guys. Boy's aggressive, boy. Definitely don't want these hooks getting me, guys. Try to get the hook out of him here. I got hooked yesterday by the same lure. Not trying to get hit today again, guys. So what I'm trying to do is grab the hook and try to get the hook out of this guy. So it is what it is, guys. See? That's how sharp these goddamn hooks are. That bad boy is not trying to hear me. Get in his mouth. Gotcha. Alright, good. Got him. That's what's up, guys. Barracuda on the line already. Get him in here. Close the cooler quick. Hey guys, that's what's up. Yeah, that barrel right there got no pampering. There's another one here. There's two of them.